Gonna get some subflex. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. All right. Oh, I like the seat style.
Yeah, I got more area. You know, it picked up the pace a little bit. It's a little cleaner.
I was gonna say, yeah, you'd be surprised how much you actually not just gain frequencies and all just because of it.
The flat seat lets it carry out. You know, and
yep.
It really does.
It doesn't block the port, and it opens up how the pressure travels to the passenger side.
Changes.
Did you see how much you gained meter-wise since you've done the changes?
1.2 decibels.
Really? Nice job.
It's a solid.
And you haven't changed power. You've just done some odds in the change.
Rewired. Nobody told me whenever I did my power. You know, I had started with the batteries, then I went to caps.
Yeah.
And nobody really told me how to wire it. I went all to one bus bar, everything on the battery. So I was told that was right. I mean, the way to do it was to go alternator support battery, battery support cap, cap support amps. And that made a clean power. I was able to run longer with cleaner power.
Oh, okay. You actually gained voltage support for that.
Gained a stronger system because the caps take the hit. Battery support caps.
Yes, got it.
It does make a difference. Delay here. Let me get my phone out. Now I made the door slick again. I cleaned them up. That helped a little.
It's all good.
You know, it's gonna look like. Good. So I slicked them up a little bit, made them a little nicer.
Yep. So you have 4. What size amps are on these subs?
These are 4 SCD 4000s, and the speakers are actually a 1-ohm load. They're dual 2s, so I'm going to run them at 1-ohm.
Yep.
You'd die if you knew I was clamping, because it's not what people think.
You have how many watts total before clamp power?
Okay, 16,000 watts, and I'm actually only clamping 2250 per sub.
Really? Oh wow! So right at 9,000 watts.
Yeah.
Okay.
The real power, right at clipping. Right at clipping.
And that's around your peak.
When I took these seats out, I built it at 43.
Yeah.
And when I took the seats out, actually I retuned it as far as checking the cabin. The cabin went to 48. Yeah. I mean, it went to 49, and the subs went to 48. So this thing is, cabin is 48, and subs are 49.
Got it.
Back forward. Anyway,
yes, sir.
They're both 48, which is amazing to me.
Wow.
Because I don't want a 48 system.
Yeah.
I don't know which one to play.
I was gonna say, yeah.
60.2 to 60.5 is the best.
I was just about to say, you got to be at least a 60 almost on music, and then 62 is broken now.
It just got cleaner.
Yeah.
It really got cleaner.
Man.
Yeah, I had them built. They're SPL cones.
Okay.
1 second. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around we got of his system called the Betta at the Sundown Audio Show in North Carolina. Give him a like and comment what you think about his system. Really clean install for the amount of power he has in his car, and to break a 160 on music. Going to see a crazy demo today with 2 songs. So that port behind the driver, if you notice the way he actually has it fabricated at an angle to optimize port area, probably a little bit on the small end, but it definitely got the job done to get high SPL score. Put all that pressure on me. And if you notice the way the amplifier rack is, I kind of didn't find out all the lithium bank information, electrical 4-channel amps back there, but I'm pretty sure he has 8 banks of super caps, 370 amp alternator, and 100 amp hours of lithium. I bet him at a prior show, and that's what he had, so I'm going to assume he hasn't done too much on the upgrades on the electrical side besides the wiring he was talking about. If you notice the way he has his angle sideways of his brace, most people normally brace only at an angle downward, but having a front brace like this also probably helped a little bit with his windshield from shattering. Less flex is usually louder also. It helps without worrying about pretty much shattering your glass, because systems like this are definitely car abusers. So 415-inch subs on 16,000 watts. Crazy 2-song subflex demo we're getting to now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for daily videos on my channel, Jacob Vile, and enjoy this 2-song demo.
You know, Datsik Glock Burst?
Okay.
Do a try.
they doing? 60s now?
It's doing
You gotta be.
music at 60.
I was gonna say, yeah.
60.2 to 60.5 is the best.
I was just about to say, you gotta be at least a 60 almost on music,
Yes.
and then 62 is broken
It
now.
just got cleaner. Is what it does.
Yeah.
It really got cleaner.
Man.
I got one other one that's a little bit lower note if you want to hear it.
Oh, yeah, man, I love low notes.
I know.
I'm good.
Have a little bit of low
I was gonna say, can I get right here with the subflex this time?
Sure, man.
Yeah. You wanna get in? Go ahead, man. Hey, somebody's gonna hear it while I record. Thank you very much. Just watch your back on the subs.
You'll know it's happy.
Gonna get some subflex.
Yeah, I had them built. They're SPL cones.
Okay.
You're welcome. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.